Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel IELTS Winners. Hope you are doing fine and staying safe. So now we are going to see lesson number 2 for our IELTS Reading 2023 strategies for 8 bands, and this strategy is for match heading, which is one of the biggest villain of IELTS reading according to us. The method is known as SRCM method. So let's see what does SRCM method means. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Insta. You can also join our Telegram and WhatsApp for free materials and all the predictions. Now, what does SRCM means? Now, when we get our match the headings, there is no shortcuts in doing match headings. That is why when you get heading type of questions in your reading, do them at the last. Okay. When you have done all other types of essays, other type of questions, you will have some idea about the headings or the passage that is being talked. So doing list of headings will become quite easy if you have already read something. Now the S stands for scanning the keywords. That is, once you get your list of heading, first thing you need to do is mark and scan for the keywords. Complaints, impact, approach, fundamental beliefs, early recommendation. So like this, mark all the nouns and adjectives. Scan for the nouns and adjectives in all the given list of headings. That stands for S. Now R means read the whole paragraph. As I said, there is no shortcuts. So here you need to read the whole paragraph, and then C stands for comprehend. Comprehend means once you have marked and scanned for your keywords, you will go and read the whole paragraph and then translate in your mother tongue to comprehend what is the main idea behind the paragraph. So once you read the whole paragraph, reading the first line and the last line won't work in 2023. So if you have been doing this, see to it that you are not doing it, because it will not give you bands all the time. So if you want all the bands and full marks for your match heading, don't go for first line and last line. Read the whole paragraph and understand. Comprehend. Comprehend means convert and understand what is the main idea behind the body paragraph. Is it an explanation? Is it an example? Is it cause or effect? If it is an explanation, then ask the question, explanation for what? Example for what? Explanations for what? Once you ask this question for what, you will get one answer. Okay, this is what it's explaining for. That answer is the main idea of the body paragraph. Once you have read, translated and comprehended the main idea of the body paragraph, now it's time to match that one or two line idea with the given heading. Now once you get and understand the idea, so here if you see there are 7 to 8 lines, you will get an idea in one or two lines only. Now you have to match that ideas keywords and ideas meaning with the keywords that you have already marked in the headings. This way you will start matching and eliminating the wrong ones. That is how we do our match headings. For example, if you see, read the first paragraph here. Once you read the first paragraph, organization is big business, whether it is our life or inboxes calendar, or how companies are structured, multi-billion dollar industries, self-organization, any other time, we are told. So now they are going for explanation. They are giving that they are told, they are instructed to organize the company, home, life, day, all means to becoming productive. So you organize everything to become productive. You are told by the people, you are told by the management. Every week seminars and workshops take place around the world, paying public that they out to structure their life. So out to structure, so again the firm people conduct some research, some seminars and everything in order to tell you how you should structure and plan your life. This rhetoric also crept into the thinking of business leaders and entrepreneurs, much to the delight of self-proclaimed perfectionists with the need to get everything right. So all this is done in order to get a good employee who is a perfect person. The number of business schools and graduates have massively increased over 50 years. So management and business schools have increased a lot, essentially teaching people how to organize well. So throughout the paragraph they are telling how the people or the employees are instructed to plan their life, to structure their life, or how to organize their life so that they become more productive. And in order to teach them, there also are numerous schools and everything which teach them how well they can do all these things. So throughout they are talking about how instructions, they are instructing, they are teaching people how to behave or become productive for a company. So that is the one line idea that you get. Now when you look through the headings, you can see that achieve outcomes currently impossible, then what people are expecting to do, guarantees, evidence, that put new approach, early recommendation, fundamental belief, complaints. So now these were some of the keywords that you have thought, but our idea is saying how people are instructed or taught to become good organized. Now this idea is matching with the sixth one. We're saying what people are increasingly expected. So what are they increasingly expected to do? They are expected, they are told, they are expected to organize themselves. They out to structure, so they are instructed, they are told. So now this is the keyword that is matching with what you have learned here. So your paragraph A will be for number 6. This is how we do our headings. First, scan the keywords, scan the keywords. Second, read the paragraph, read the paragraph, the whole paragraph you should read. Third, you have to comprehend what the paragraph is saying and comprehend in 1 or 2 lines. Last is match that comprehension 1 and 2 line with the keywords that you have marked in the headings. These are the 4 simple steps that you should do for any headings that you get, and then you will be good to go and you will get all the marks that you want for your math heading. Hope these lessons help you well. If you want to get all the lessons of all the modules each day, do subscribe and follow our Instagram. You can also take our writing and speaking evaluations course. You can get the details on our Insta page, IELTS winners. All the best, take care, bye bye.